Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to recreate this easy crimp ponytail using a plug-in crimping iron by Hot Tools. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh my God, they have sold me, baby. I am a Marcel lady, and when I tell you they have sold me on this, love it. Nice. All right, everybody, so today I'm about to show you guys how much I like these flat irons. They're plug-in flat irons, and I am an old school junkie. I love Marcel iron, so I am trying to make sure I stay up to date with things, and so far I'm trying different things, and I really like these, so I'm gonna show you how I use them. Okay, so what I'm about to crimp is this ponytail piece that I made on the sewing machine, and this is something that I teach along with other wig making techniques on my website. You can visit me at www.thehairdiagram.com. So I was getting ready today and I decided, hey, let me go ahead and show everybody about this. Okay, so I have this piece. I pinned it to the mannequin head, and what I want to do is I'm going to part it. I'm going to work in sections. Okay, so what I'm going to be using is my Kenra hairspray. I'm going to be using the number 13. It's a medium hold. It gives a very good firm hold, and that's what I want to use. I'm going to do it in sections. So I've already parted off the first part of this ponytail. So now I'm going to lightly spray it and crimp it. Okay, take your hairspray. I want to spray and section the hairpiece on the top and the bottom half. I'm going to take my crimping iron. Make sure you have them placed on the right side. I'm going to hold it for anywhere from 20 to 25 seconds. And it should be nice and firm and stiff. And then I'll go right up under it, making sure I'm lining up correctly. You can play around with it first until you get the hang of it. So you may want to practice if you've never used a crimping iron before. You'll continue to work down the shaft of the hair or the piece that you are working on until you get to the ends.
Yuma on the beat, what's up?
Okay, so now that I'm at the bottom, sometimes this can get a little funny with the crimping iron, so I'm gonna show you what you can do. You can leave yourself a little tail at the bottom and just curl it under with your curling irons. All right, so the ends, I'm going to use the curl iron. Okay, so now I'm going to take my ponytail. I have a comb in this ponytail. I'm going to slide it into my existing ponytail and wrap it around. I also have 2 drawstrings on it that I sewn on my sewing machine. You can use bobby pins. Now I'll take just a little bit of the hair from that ponytail and wrap it around to cover the tracks or weft, and I'll pin it.